Now, it's day 6 of the CBI investigation and the grilling of Sushant Singh Rajput's associates continue. Sushant's flatmate Siddharth Pithani, cook Neeraj have been called in by the CBI for questioning once again. This comes as Pithani's 5th round of questioning. Cook Neeraj is also being grilled for the 6th time. Both of them were present at Sushant's flat when he took his life. In fact, yesterday, India Today confronted Neeraj Singh and Sushant's former house manager Samuel Miranda after their questioning last night. Both refused to answer evaded questions posed by the media. CBI sources have suggested that there were inconsistencies in their statements. The actor's chartered accountant, Sandeep Sridhar, was grilled by the CBI for about 10 hours. All eyes currently are on Rhea Chakravarti. In fact, she is yet to be summoned by the CBI, has said that she's going to cooperate, will appear for questioning and recording her statements right after she receives her summons. Pankaj Upadhyay joining us live from Mumbai. Pankaj, here we understand that there have been some inconsistencies that have been revealed by the CBI in terms of statements given by Siddharth Pithani as well as the cook Neeraj. There are some inconsistencies. Take us through the line of questioning. What really went wrong while they were being questioned, that they could not answer questions that were matching?
Good morning, Navila. So I'm outside the DRDO facility, and let me quickly run you through the timeline since 9 a.m. because that's the time when the entire activity here outside DRDO starts. So today, the first prime witness to enter the DRDO facility is the flatmate of the late actor and the creative content manager, Siddharth Pithani. Yes, he has been called yet again, and it is now pretty clear that the Central Bureau of Investigation finds Siddharth Pithani an important prime witness. And that's the reason, perhaps, that he is being grilled again and again. 9:19 a.m. Navila was the time when Siddharth Pithani entered the DRDO facility. And after that, at 9:24 a.m., Neeraj the cook plus 2 more. Now, they were all masked and they had their heads down. They were covering their faces. So it was pretty difficult for us to recognize who the 2 other witnesses probably were. But a car sped inside this very gate. And then after that, at 9:38 a.m., another vehicle carrying a CBI official entered inside. So this is the kind of activity that has been going on from day one. The prime witnesses are coming inside and being grilled, and they are being only allowed to leave late in the night time. And as you rightly pointed out, it is owing to the fact that the CBI sources confirming to India Today that certain inconsistencies in their statements have been seen by the CBI, and they want to get thorough with whatever they are saying.
Absolutely.
And that's the reason why they have been called again and again.
Do stay with us, Pankaj. There, Pankaj Upadhyay tracking all those movements of the CBI. Currently, Siddharth Pithani has also been called in again. Neeraj also has been called in again. They're being grilled thoroughly.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.